Alright guys, I'm out here with the Mini, the Mavic Mini, and what we're going to do is we're going to try that little sunshade thing right there. We're going to see if it works well. It is so sunny, and I don't have filters for this thing. I got filters for some of the other ones, but not for the Mini. So we're going to see if that thing helps it at all when it hits this glare, because I'm going to be coming back. It's going to be pretty bad. Let me start some video here. Hold on, just let me start that 2K thing. I might just do 1080p, but we'll try it like that for a while. I just want to fly down the river here and check to see what this thing does in the with the sun glare. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be affecting. It's not so heavy that it's tripping off that extra weight alarm on the... But we'll see what it does when it goes out for a little way and flies for a few minutes to see if it does anything with the motor errors or any of that crap. It's so damn hot, nobody's even out. Okay, you see that, right? Okay. Now let's see how it acts when I'm spinning into this sun, because this is what we want to check out here. Some guys out there fishing, but you know, I can't fly over them tracks, so I gotta chill out a little bit here. I'm trying to be as ginger as I can. So we'll see when we watch the video. It's hard to see on the screen here whether it's glaring or not. You know, you never can really fully tell this crap until you watch these videos back. So we're gonna come under the bridge to see how this thing will act under the bridge, to see what kind of satellites will disappear. Or okay, so I got 13 right now. So the motor warnings didn't go off at all. So I'm completely under the metal bridge right now. The satellites are dropped. Well, they're bouncing around a little bit, so I don't really think it would affect it that much, to be honest. This place right here gets a lot of activity. There's always garbage and people camping and burning fires and all this crap, you know. So let's go under the bridge a little more. I don't really see nothing happening with the satellites. I think there's maybe 13 or something up there. So the bridge isn't affecting it that much, you know. And that little sunshade thing didn't do anything. So that's what we wanted to see anyway. That's why I brought it out here, to see if it would affect the motor performance and see if it would, you know, trip off that little weight thing. So I think it did pretty good, man. I think it did pretty good. All right, guys, there you go. Mavic Mini under the bridge. There's some fishermen over there. Man, they're crazier than hell to be out here doing that. At least I can hide up under this bridge, man, right? If I have to. But those guys, when you're out there fishing, you're out there, and that's it. You're out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop the video. You guys have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.